In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Smartsheet authentication error step by step. If you're seeing an authentication failed message, invalid token error, or you're suddenly locked out of integrations, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through 6 proven solutions that usually resolve the problem within minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is logging out and logging back in again. It sounds simple, but this fixes a surprising number of authentication problems. Go to Smartsheet and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Log Out. Once you're fully logged out, close the browser tab completely. Then reopen your browser, go back to app.smartsheet.com and log in again with your credentials. If the authentication error was caused by an expired session or a temporary login glitch, this step alone may fix it immediately. If you're using Smartsheet with an integration, API connection, or automation tool and the error continues, the next step is to regenerate your API token. Authentication errors are often caused by expired, revoked, or incorrect API tokens. To do this, log into Smartsheet and click on your account icon. Go to Personal Settings, then navigate to the API Access section. Here, you'll see your existing API tokens. You can either revoke the old token and generate a new one, or simply create a new token if needed. After generating the new token, copy it immediately and update it inside the app or integration where you were previously getting the authentication error. Then test the connection again. Next, make sure you're using the correct Smartsheet account. Many users have multiple accounts, such as a work account and a personal account, and sometimes the browser automatically logs you into the wrong one. Double-check the email address shown in the top right corner of Smartsheet. If it's not the account that owns the sheets or the API token, log out and sign back in with the correct email. This simple mismatch is one of the most common causes of authentication failures. The fourth step is to check the permissions of the token user. Even if your API token is valid, it will not work if the account associated with it doesn't have permission to access the sheet or workspace you're trying to use. Open the sheet in question and click Share in the top right corner. Confirm that the user linked to the API token has the appropriate access level, such as viewer, editor, or admin, depending on the action you're trying to perform. If necessary, update the permissions and then test the integration again. If the error still persists, try opening Smartsheet in an Incognito window or a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions, cached sessions, or stored cookies interfere with authentication. Open a private browsing window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then log into Smartsheet from there. If it works in incognito mode, the issue is likely related to your main browser settings or extensions. Finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted or outdated cache files can cause login and authentication errors. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to choose cached images and files as well as cookies. After clearing them, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Smartsheet. Then test again to see if the issue is resolved. So to quickly recap, log out and back in, regenerate your API token, confirm you're using the correct account, check user permissions, try incognito mode, and clear your cache and cookies. One of these steps almost always fixes the Smartsheet authentication error. If this video helps you fix the issue, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.